Thanks for that, Katie. Well, Baptist Health hospitals in Jacksonville are at a critical point. The head of Baptist Health's 9 emergency rooms says that this is happening because of the unvaccinated COVID crisis in our community. The number of COVID patients in our hospitals are rising every single day. Now, these latest numbers reported are more than 430 in Baptist hospitals and more than 190 at UF Health Jacksonville campuses. We want to get right out to Leah Shields. She's standing by live right now this morning. Leah, break it down for us. What does this mean exactly for people who are in need of care at this point?
It means delays. If you're coming to the hospital for something non-life threatening, expect to wait some time. Actually, a man just walked by telling us he's been waiting hours in the ER. Now, as for how long you might wait, I was checking online and their wait times are no longer up. When I called the ER, they said they're not putting those wait times up right now because it just varies depending on how many COVID patients they have at that given moment. Any emergency people will be seen ahead of you as well. So that is what we're seeing here. It feels somewhat quiet this morning right now, but we've seen multiple ambulances pulling in this morning and they are working nonstop inside with COVID patients. So it's important, though, with all this information, that this does not scare you away from getting medical care. If you are sick, Baptist Health's executive oversight nurse over all of the ERs, Darren Rourke, says see your primary care physician first. Now, if it is an emergency, definitely come to an ER near you. They are prepared to help you. He says it's more dangerous for you to wait to get care.
We're doing our absolute best. We're bringing in additional staff, additional physicians, opening up nooks and crannies, if you will, in the emergency rooms to find places to see patients. We're treating patients in conference rooms, literally doing everything we can to try to accommodate that volume. And we just really ask for the community's patience.
And so if you're going to the emergency room, you will have to mask up. And they're also separating people in the emergency room who have COVID symptoms and the people who do not have COVID symptoms. And Rourke says he's seeing a lot of younger, sicker people who have not been vaccinated. So if you do want a vaccine, we have all of that information at firstcoastnews.com. Leah Shields, First Coast News, on your side.